Alright, buddy. Let's eat some bananas. Ready? Here you go. Are you not gonna do it? Oh, gosh. Is that yummy? No hands. Just face. There's like a little piggy eating for a drop. Ready? Mmm. Some good bananas. It's all over your face. Here you go. The best table manners, but it'll do. Mmm. Ready? Is that good? Is that good? I'm dripping. Drip it, wait, or drip it. You like bananas. Ready? Oh, he won't eat it because I put it towards his mouth.
No, of course not.
Okay. You come to the bananas. There you go. He's in this. I think so.
Move, falling backwards.
Alright. Here you go. Where are you going? Too far. Alright. I didn't do it. I didn't go towards you.
He's not messing around anymore. He's like coming out with his mouth open. Good.
Yummy!
Kinda
You
missed
just
with
lost
that
a
one.
whole bunch of it.
Are you done?
Are you tired of bananas?
Oh.
Oh, no,
Oh my
hands.
gosh, why is my leg all wet? Oh, that banana spot, that's right. Alright.
Come here. Oh. Okay, ready? Oh, wait.
Is that your nose?
That was definitely his nose. Alright. Oh, no hands.
Hands down, hands down.
Just mouth. Here you go.
Wow,
Are you done?
where are you going? Have a little more.
Are you done? Oh. No hands.
He doesn't want me to hold his hands.
Are you done? Nope. Oh, so you didn't even eat that time. Go. Says, I want to touch it. That time you just smeared it everywhere. Oh. Are you done?
I'm getting pissed because I won't let him use his hands.
Oh.
Nope. Alright. Are we done with bananas?
Are you done with bananas, or are you mad because your hands were held hostage? Okay. Are you done? Oh.
Yeah, whatever.
Okay. Here you go. Yum. Oh, he's grabbed the spoon.
It's all over his hands.
Are you done? Alright, you're done. Smile pretty for the camera.
Daddy's like.